recording of our playbook. Download it from our website. Welcome to our whiteboard drawing, Day 2, CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX cluster installations, UCCX publisher installation. This drawing describes how to install a Cisco UCCX 9.0.2 publisher. This is the version that was packaged with our BE6000. Let's start with a quick overview and review. Here are the tasks for our Cisco collaboration, cluster installation and integration. On installation day, a literal day, we install our CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX clusters. Deploy all of the VMs from OVAs and attach the installation media. Install our CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX publishers. Install our CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX subscribers. Activate the services we need in the CUCM cluster when we install the IM&P and UCCX subscribers. Integrate IM&P and UCCX with CUCM when we install the IM&P and UCCX subscribers. Configure DRS for all 4 applications. Integrate CUCM and CUC with ELM. And do some final tasks, like upgrade VMware tools and configure virtual machine startup and shutdown. We'll do these installs at the same time. We timed the process for a slower case, a single server no HA deployment, with all 4 publishers being installed on a BE6000 medium density server. UCCX is the last publisher to install. Start at 10 o'clock. Launching the installation should take about 20 minutes. You'll be able to log in to UCCX Pub in about an hour. This is the Enterprise 20 deployment for CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX. ELM-A is co-resident with CUCM Pub. We've started the CUCM Pub, CUC Pub, and IM&P Pub installs, and now we'll start the last publisher install, UCCX Pub. The publisher must be installed first. If you have vCenter, then access the vSphere GUI and focus on your Cisco Collab cluster. Otherwise, access the vSphere GUIs for Enterprise 20 ESXi-A and Enterprise 20 ESXi-B. We'll leave the GUIs open during the whole of the cluster installations process. Select UCCX Pub from the inventory and open a console using the icon in the toolbar. Start the VM using the green arrow icon in the toolbar. UCCX Pub should start. Select Yes to perform a media check. When you click inside the console, your cursor will be stuck there. Press Ctrl-Alt to free your cursor from the console. The media check will run. After a short while, the integrity of the media should be verified. The media check on Enterprise 20 ESXi-A took less than 45 seconds. Select Cisco Unified Contact Center Express and press OK. This is a new install. Press Yes. Press Proceed to perform the full installation immediately without a floppy with the platform configuration. We're not applying a patch, so select No. Select Continue to proceed with the installation without a floppy. Select the best place to live for your time zone and press OK. Auto negotiation doesn't make a lot of sense for a VM. Select Continue. Leave the MTU size alone. Press No. Cisco Unified Contact Center Express does not ask you whether you want to use DHCP. You must provide a static address. Provide the static network configuration and press OK. For Enterprise 20, our VM, UCCX Pub has IP address 172 172.20.204.75 with a mask of 255.255.255.0 and a default gateway of 172.20.204.5. Cisco Unified Contact Center Express does not ask you whether you want to use DNS. You must provide a configuration. Enter the primary and secondary DNS servers and domain name. For Enterprise 20, we have only one DNS server at 172.20.100.101 with the domain enterprise20.ca. Provide the Platform Administrator ID and password and press OK. The Platform Administrator has access to the console and the OS administration and disaster recovery web pages. Provide the certificate information and press OK. Unless you have a security team to provide these values, just enter something reasonable. Press Yes to install a publisher. Provide the address of your NTP server and press OK. Provide an intra-cluster security password. You need this password for adding subscribers. We are not doing SMTP, so press No. Provide the application user username and password and press OK. The application user has access to the CM administration, serviceability, and reporting web pages. The installation is good to go. The installation should take about 45 minutes. When it completes successfully, you can log in using the Platform Administrator username and password. It's important to log in to verify that you didn't make a typo entering the platform username. The publisher installations are running in parallel. The CUCM pub installation should be complete, or almost so. It needs to complete before we can move on to the next task. All publisher installations are underway. It should have taken about 20 minutes to launch the installation. It's 10:20 now. We'll proceed to CUCM subscriber installations as soon as the CUCM publisher completes. Now it's coffee time. Coming up next, CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX cluster installations, CUCM subscriber installation. Thanks for watching.